Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best toaster ovens in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. KitchenAid KCO 211BM Digital Countertop Toaster Oven, Black Matte. Large capacity digital countertop oven has 50% more capacity than a leading competitor, compared to Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV 450 XL. 9 preset cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, warm, reheat, bagel, pizza, cookies, roast and frozen. Easy to read digital display for at-a-glance updates on cooking progress. Non-stick interior allows you to quickly and easily clean up any spills. Includes countertop oven, 9 inches, x 13 inches, baking pan with grill rack, removable metal drip and crumb tray, removable metal rack. Streamlined profile and chrome knobs add style to your countertop. Number 4. Black Plus Decker 4-slice toaster oven with natural convection. Bake, broil, toast, keep warm. Natural convection technology. The interior is designed to circulate hot air throughout the oven for fast, even results. 2 rack positions. Added versatility for cooking under the broiler or to fit larger items. 4 cooking functions. Choose from convection bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Compact size. Easily fit a 9 pizza, 4 slices of bread, or a variety of other snacks and meals. 30-minute timer. The precise cooking timer features a stay-on function for longer baking tasks. Eventoast technology. Up to 30% more even toasting than Black Plus Decker conventional toaster ovens. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Toaster Oven, brushed stainless steel, BOV 860 BSS, medium. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer with Element IQ system delivers top performance and versatility, allowing you to air fry and choose from 11 cooking functions. Use super convection to reduce cooking time by up to 30% and deliver crispy air-fried foods. Element IQ system. Using 5 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment. Sensing and digital PID temperature control eliminates cold spots for precise and even cooking. Dedicated air fry setting. The Smart Oven Air Fryer can turn out guilt-free French fries, chicken wings, and so much more. Higher temperatures combined with super convection, maximized airflow, deliver delicious, crispy golden air-fried foods. Number 2. Instant Omni Plus 19 QT/18 liters Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. From the makers of Instant Pot, 10-in-1 functions. Fits a 12 pizza, 6 slices of bread. App with over 100 recipes, stainless steel. 10-in-1 functionality. Air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, rotisserie, toast, warm, and convection all in one appliance. Even crisp technology. Advanced technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Extra large capacity. Easily fits a 12 pizza, 6 slices of bread, a whole chicken and more. The perfect size to fit easily on your counter. Rotisserie FEHUARD. Perfect for self-basting and tumble frying. Top heating element with fan ensures optimal cooking and baking performance. Number 1. Breville Compact Smart Toaster Oven, brushed stainless steel, BOV 650 XL. The Breville Compact Smart Oven with Element IQ system includes most features of a larger smart oven in a compact footprint. Satisfy your meal needs by choosing from 8 cooking functions to make your favorites, from toast for breakfast to a roast for dinner. Element IQ system. Using 4 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800-watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. 8 cooking functions. Super versatile compact smart oven with 8 cooking functions to guide you to perfection. Toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies and reheat.